for the this example illustrator, all I've done is I've hard-coded a piece of XML which defines the object. This is a piece of Pearson code which sort of helps out just to parse it into one of their objects. So don't worry about these after event, after response, before response stuff. I can go through that later. So what it does, so in event mode, a publisher will periodically check for events, maybe a record's changed, and when that event is called, it'll run this piece of code here. So basically for a student, it'll just, what it does is just gets the XML, converts it to one of the Pearson objects, and then just basically creates and just returns this thing called SIF event, and that will define the, in this case I'm defining it as a change action, so the record's changed, I just send that. And for the response, similar sort of thing. The only difference is when you're getting a response to a request, you're not getting a SIF event. So this SIF event is actually the data object plus the action associated with it, whereas with the response it's only the data object. So if someone says, give me a student personal record, you get a student personal record, whereas with events you're saying, this student personal record has changed, or you might say something's deleted if something's been added or whatever. But so these are very basic examples. And this has next and has response. I've just basically set it to only ever send out one event and one response. But it's up to you how you manage it. A realistic example may be, I'll just give you a database one.
Yeah, we do databases later.
Okay. A realistic one will be you go to database, return say five or six changes, and you send them through. And each time you go through, you'll just get the next one in your collection. It's up to you to manage how you define that.